walks and playing games when there's sunny weather.
La 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 la.
If there's rain, they're singing songs or reading books together.
La 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 la.
Every day just has a way of feeling extra lucky.
La 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 la.
When you spend it with a friend, just like Bjorn and Bucky. Just like Bjorn and Bucky. The Secrets of Magic.
Hey, Bucky. What you doing?
I'm fixing my Remind-O-Matic.
Bucky, can I do some cool magic for you?
That sounds fun.
All right, now just think of a number between 1 and 10, and I'll guess your number.
Okay, thought of one.
You're thinking of a number?
Yes.
I'm contacting the Mystical Magic Trickopedia. 1, right?
Nope.
Right, that was just a test. It was 2.
Not even close.
Hey, guys, what's happening? Then you must be thinking of the wrong number.
It must be your trick that's wrong, not my number.
My trick is fantastic. I can totally see inside your mind. It's called telepathy. Pretty fancy name, right?
Do you happen to know what the date is today?
It's the 3rd. Ah, your number is 3.
Not 3.
Fellas, I mean, do you know what's happening today?
Of course I know what will happen today. Up north, we are all taught to correctly predict the future. I will now look into the future. I see Bucky working with time.
Time? You mean my Remind-O-Matic? That's not magic. I just told you I was fixing it.
Yes, but I saw it in the crystal ball, too. And now it says 4 is the number.
You're just guessing every number.
You mean you're not thinking of the number 4?
I'm not.
Well, I must have heard the crystal ball wrong. And now, here comes the big grand finale. But I'm going to need time to get ready for it.
You haven't even finished your first trick yet.
He looks like an alien bird lamp.
His hat looks like a deer's bottom.
Welcome, friends. Now then, Bucky, please select an object. And I, while blindfolded, will magically guess which one you picked. I'm seeing, it looks like a coat hanger. Wait, no, not the hanger. Nah, it looks like a cooking pot. Wait, no, a boot. It's a boot, right? The object you picked was the boot.
That's so awesome! That's just so awesome!
Impossible. How's it done? How'd you do it?
Telepathy, my friend.
Nah, it's a trick. What am I holding now?
I'm seeing, the hanger? The hanger!
Bjorn, why is your skirt thing peeping?
Well, I can assure you it isn't because Chicky's in it.
Oh, you're busted. It wasn't smelepathy or whatever. Chicky was giving you the answer.
Well, so what? They're not called magic tricks for nothing. You couldn't do any better.
I could so.
But guys, have you really not heard what's going to happen today?
Well, duh. Today will be the big debut of the Great Buckdini. Abracadabra, alakazam. Who's the best magician in the world? I am. You won't believe the spells I weave, and all with nothing up my sleeves. Actually, I don't even have sleeves, but that's not important right now. He is quick and he is clever. He's the best magician ever. He's Buckdini, and he's as talented as he is humble. Here's my first trick. Magic-y words. Other magic-y words. You can cheer now.
Awesome! Awesome! Again, please!
Whoa, how did you do that?
Way cool!
Show it to us again.
Watch carefully. Magic-y words. Other magic-y words. Other magic-y words. Other magic-y words. All the magic-y words in the world! Ugh.
Uh-huh. That wasn't really magic at all. All you did was trick us.
Sound familiar?
Hey guys, let me try. I bet that I could do a mega super magic show for you.
Do you know any tricks?
Go for it. Blow our minds.
All right. Give me a few seconds to prepare. Watch this, magic boys. In 3, 2, and 1.
What's this? What's happening?
Not loving this trick.
Ah! How did you do that?
Why did you do that?
Bring back our sunlight!
All right, it's back. You can calm down, boys. Didn't you know that we were gonna have a solar eclipse?
Have a what?
Today was the day of the big, rare solar eclipse, where the moon passes in front of the sun and blocks it for a little while. I heard all about it on TV.
Franny, that was by far the best trick. Behold, the great Seesaw-dini!
Bucky, back there in your cabin, were you thinking of the number 5?
Nopey nope.
7 then? I know it was 7.
Nope, Baruni, not 7. Magic-y words. The number was 6.
Chicky's dinosaur. Go, 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 Blammo! Ha! All right. You're up, Bucky Bud.
Come on, come on, come on, come on! No, wrong! Stop! Wait! Please! Ooey! I missed again!
All right, all right, all right. Franny's turny, turny, turn. Yeah. No, back to the right. Yeah, no, left, left, left. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, all right. Let's hear it for Franny. Woo! Yay! All right, Bjorn, yeah. Your turn to bowl again, Bucky.
Not again, no! Ooey! Unacceptable!
Huh, where's Buck going?
Hands up! Ah! Straight down the middle!
What's that thing?
Some rock I found makes for a great bowling ball. Just the size I need. I'm tired of missing those dumb pins.
Bucky, that's not a rock. That's an egg. Whoa.
That's a big old egg. I wonder who will hatch from it.
Well, if no one sits on it, then it's not going to hatch. You have to take good care of an egg.
Sit on it, you say? I have an excellent brain! So, Chicky, just sit there a little while. How long are we talking?
5 hours-ish. No longer.
You look extraordinary up there, Chicky. You keep up the excellent work while we make a brief exit.
Okay, Buck, enough with the puns.
Pretty extreme weather we're having.
Bucky.
Sorry.
Whoa! Chicky, what's wrong?
What's he saying? What's the problem?
Chicky says outside there's a dinosaur or something.
A dinosaur?
That actually sounds more like a pterodactyl than a dinosaur. They're not the same thing. That's a lot of sound effects.
Yeah. Hey, fellas, come look. He bird-napped Chicky Poo.
Here's the plan. We're gonna catch him and whomp him. It's Operation Rescue. Quick, where's my fly swatter?
No, we should ransom Chicky back with food. With some yummy prehistoric food. Preferably before it gobbles him up.
Where's this dinosaur thing? What's it called? Hairy Baxel? Monster, just show yourself.
Please come and enjoy super delicious Jurassic snacks. It's all organic.
Hey, guys, look. Up there.
Unbelievable.
Whoa! What?
Our bird buddy is flying.
Bjorn, what's going on? How is Chicky riding the very Waxel?
I have no idea, but it sure looks like they've become buddies.
Well, do you two suppose we could ride it?
Woo-hoo! Yee-haw! Woo-hoo! Awesome! So cool! Fairy fractals rule!
It's actually pterodactyl.
Larry Flagpole? No, scary tadpole.
Not quite.
Cherry blackbill.
No. Looks like it's time for our pterodactyl to fly away for a while.
You have to fly back and see us all the time.
Goodbye! Come back soon!
Bucky, you never said where you found that egg, you know?
In the woods, next to those other really giant eggs. Oh, let's all go sit on them. We can all hatch ourselves merry fractals.
Oh, no, for the last time, it's pterodactyl!
The best place in the world. I'm a genius. Oh, hey there, Bjorn. This is gonna rock. It's so cool. Excellent. Plug this in. Perfect. And complete.
Bucky, let's go catch dragonflies in the field. Whoa, what is that thing?
This is my teleporter. It can send us to any spot in the world.
Oh, sweet!
Where would you like to go?
Outside, to the dragonfly field.
What's there to see in a plain old field? How about instead take us to the awesomest place on Earth? Ha! Care to guess? Well, we'll know soon enough.
What are you fellas doing today? Boys, where are they?
Bjorn, where are we?
We're at the North Pole, and those are the Northern Lights.
Whoa! Wowie! The most awesomest place I've ever been! So, when sunrise, I want a bright good look at everything.
The sun will be coming out again in, looks like 6 months.
You mean there's 6 months without sunshine? Not awesome. Let's try someplace else. So, take us somewhere with lots of sunshine. Whoa. Just like I said. Now that's what I'm talking about. It's so bright and warm. Huh? Now this is awesome! I want to do this for the rest of my life! Why did the camel cross the desert? Because it was awesome! That was great. Phew. Kind of hot though, right? Bjorn, do you have some water by any chance?
None. There is no water out here in the desert.
No water here? Not awesome. Yeah, let's get out of here. Go someplace with lots of water. Well, that's too much water. What's that, Bjorn?
It looks kind of like a shark.
A shark? Sharks aren't really my thing. Forget water. Take us someplace that's dry. Wrong! No! Someplace without a volcano! Bjorn? What is this? A sea monster! No! Take us someplace!
Give me that. Just take us someplace.
Do it! Bjorn, come on!
Just someplace that we'll love.
Where are we? Oh, this must be the awesomest place in the world!
Yeah, and it looks a lot like our home.
No way! This place looks nothing like home. Stuff's just all ordinary back there. But dude, everything here's just the awesomest. Just look at this amazing field.
Boys,
Huh?
where have you guys been?
Is that Franny? What is she doing here?
Waiting for you. You guys kind of vanished. Weren't we planning to come to Dragonfly Field?
Sweet Franny, hey, I am just so happy to see you. Bucky, look! We're home!
I can see that now. I thought we had found the most awesomest place in the entire world.
But we're in the awesomest place in the entire world.
Don't you know yet that your home is the best place? Wow, that is a big one.
Just wait. This one's mine! Hey, come here! Come on, you crazy thing! I should use my machine to transport